Think you know your car? Well, get ready, because today we're uncovering 3 car facts that every driver needs to know, but most people never learn until it's too late. From saving fuel to extending your engine's life, these quick tips could literally save you thousands of dollars. Fact number 1. The 3 fluids that keep you alive. Your car runs on more than fuel: the real lifeblood, engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Ignore these, and you're looking at repair bills that could buy you another car. Check oil monthly, coolant every few months, and brake fluid yearly. Simple habits that keep your car and wallet healthy. Fact number 2. The dashboard warning you should never ignore. You can ignore some things in life, but not the oil pressure light. If it turns on, stop driving immediately. It means your engine isn't getting enough lubrication, and continuing could destroy it within minutes. Pull over, turn off the engine, and call for help. Fact number 3. Used car secret. Thinking of buying a used car? Here's the secret. Don't just trust the look, scan it. A $20 OBD-II scanner can reveal hidden engine errors before they become your problem. It's like having X-ray vision for cars. Quick recap. So remember: 1. Check your fluids. 2. Watch warning lights. 3. Scan before buying. Simple steps, but they make you a smarter, safer, and wealthier driver. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more car wisdom every week.